Alex being attacked by seagulls. You can't let go, Alex. Go ahead, Alex. You're supposed to hang on to it. Get it away from me. Get it away from me. Alex being attacked by seagulls. That's awesome. That is awesome. Here he comes. This is Alex being attacked by more seagulls. Come on, Alex. I thought you were going to hang on to it. We have more. Alex, how did it feel to be attacked by seagulls?
It sucks. There's stuff flying around me. It sucks. Worth it. I'm really out of it.
Russell being attacked by seagulls.
Come on, it can't be that hard to miss. Think back here.
Alex, you can't be a puss and let go.
Oh, I was a puss. There was like more than that after me. And they were chasing me down the beach.
There's Tyler being attacked by seagulls.
No, there was still more than that chasing me down the beach.
This is Alex not letting go of the cracker.
Hold it up and let him see it.
Hang on to it, Alex! Hold it up, Alex! Hold it up! You have to hold it up so they see it.
They freaking see it, look! Oh my god!
Hold it up! Hey, whoa, 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 get out of here! What the hell? Do not use up all the crackers. Hold it up, Alex. Come on, don't be a puss. This is going on YouTube. No, get out of here.
Get away! I'm already attacked by seagulls. I know how it feels.